ROE Dental Laboratory. As many of you may know, we are a full-service dental lab that's been serving dentists across the country since the early 1930s. 1933 to be exact. Being full service, we do everything from temp crowns all the way through full arch and everything in between. Removables, dentures, splints, you name it, we can do it. And we manufacture everything here right outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in a town called Independence. One thing I want to talk about today is our design services. So in today's world with technology becoming more and more affordable, we have doctors that we work with that are starting to vertically integrate technology into their practice. So not just an intraoral scanner, they're stacking equipment to do things more on their own with 3D printers and mills. When I say, hey, I'm from ROE Dental Laboratory, I have doctors apologizing to me because like, oh, hey, I'm sorry, I have a 3D printer, I print everything in-house. Or I have a 3D printer in a mill and I'm doing everything myself. Well, hey, don't be sorry, we have a place for that as well. So because we want to meet you where you are in your technological journey and your journey of vertically integrating, you can use us for our design services. We have some great options here. The very first one I want to talk about is our Cosmetic Smile Design service. This is one of my favorite things to talk about. This is a service that is going to help you close these large cosmetic cases. When we're redoing someone's smile, whether it's 4, 8, 10 teeth, or maybe an entire arch of prepped teeth and crowning these or some veneers, we have a way to help close these cases. Sure, it's great, we can do a 3D mock-up, you can do 2D pictures and show the patient, but that's not as impactful as the trial smile. And that's the first product we're going to talk about here. So the trial smile is something we can design to go over the existing dentition. You're not prepping anything right now. It snaps on just like kind of like a snap-on smile, but it's not something that the patient will function in. So this is something that you're going to send us a series of photos, some scans. We're going to design this trial smile for you to print in your office. And then when it's ready to kind of present the whole case to the patient, you hand the trial smile, they can insert this over their existing teeth. It locks in and they can check out their new smile right in front of you. So again, a little bit different than just 3D mock-up. Yeah, we can do a 3D design. We can get some nice 2D mock-ups as well for them to look at, but nothing is more impactful. Nothing helps sell this case better than a trial smile for them trying it on, taking a picture, take a selfie, send it to their loved ones, and let them know what they can look like with this treatment. So we want to help you get these cases closed, and the trial smile is a great way to do that. So once they've said yes to the best with this trial smile, the next step in this process would be a digital wax up. So again, you send us the records, we can do a digital wax up for you to print in office. And then there's prep day. Everyone loves prep day, right? Now you send us the scans for us to marginate the teeth, and we are going to send those back to you to print in office. Typically we print them in sections so you don't have to seat individual teeth each time. It's a great solution for prep day, again, utilizing your equipment in office and our design services. With that, we just want to make sure that you please pre-schedule your design prior to prep day so we have one of our great designers waiting for you for those prep scans to come in. And then after they've loved their temps, of course we have solutions. We have a great cosmetic line called Bespoke. So check out our Bespoke line of services, or once again, we'll send you some designs for you to print in office. Next up, we have our guide designs, our surgical guide design service, specifically with our tooth-supported guides. We can plan the implant, design the guide, and send it back to you to print in office within an hour. So this is tooth-supported guides specifically. But what does this do for you besides getting you a great guide to print in office? Maybe you have a patient coming in the morning and they're ready to they want to do an implant, they have the money, they've accepted treatment. Now that they've given you money, they want that implant in there pretty quickly. Now we have something to help you out with. So you send us those scans and CBCT in the morning, we are having that design back to you in an hour, and then you can print that guide and have the patient come on back in the afternoon or maybe the next day and get that implant in and get them on their way to restoring their smile. On the same front with this surgical guide design service, we have an option called guided temp. So not only can we design the guide for you to print in office, we can design a temp that is guided, that seats over the existing dentition just like your surgical guide would, and it puts that temp right at the proper height, because we know exactly where that implant is because we planned it with the guide. So we know where the implant is, we know where the platform is, we know where to put that tooth in space in the mouth. So it makes your life a lot easier when temporizing one of those an anterior, maybe it's number 8, number 9. They don't want to leave there without a tooth, so we can design that for you. And again, seat that guided temp once the implant's in, over the temp cylinder, cement it to the cylinder, and then just cut the temp away from the guide, and you are good to go. Temporize, so making your life a lot easier. The next service I want to talk about is Photogrammetry, or our Grammetry design services. Now, by now you've probably heard of Photogrammetry or Grammetry for these full arch cases, but I just want to make you aware we have an awesome team of designers waiting for your designs. We have a very fast turnaround time. We are one of the first labs that got involved with Photogrammetry or Grammetry designs for those full arch cases. So we've been doing it for years, and we want to help you on your day of surgery designs. We'll get those back for you very fast to print in office for a same day seat, or perhaps you'll have the patient come back for a next day seat. Either way, we got you covered with fast Photogrammetry and Grammetry design services. Pre-schedule that design, so we have one of our phenomenal designers waiting for your scans to come in to get you your design back very quickly so you can print in office. Another service we offer for those doctors that are milling in office, and again, they're apologizing to me because they mill in office. Again, do not apologize. We want to work with you. We have solutions. Maybe something's going on with your mill and you need us to design the teeth. We can do the design, and then we will mill it and green state it and sinter it for you, and then send it back for you to finish in office. So it's a design service, and then we can also do some of the work at a great discounted price, send it back to you to finish in office, because that's what you're good at. You got a mill there, you must be good at finishing. So we can help you out in a jam if something's going on with your mill, or maybe you're just backed up and need some help. Another product we have here is our Denture Design service. From immediate dentures, or maybe we're duplicating a denture, it's just simple scans you send to us, and we're gonna get you that denture. We can get it to you same day. Even if a denture is broken, as long as you can do a quick repair, 360, scan that with your iOS, send that to us, and we can get you a file to print in office. Might not be perfect, but you can do a quick reline of that, a quick bite adjustment, rescan, and then send it back to us. So again, we can get that denture patient in your office waiting for their teeth out of there pretty quickly with a great new denture, same day or next day. We also have a very, very cool product to replace a bite block and get a denture to you from an edentulous patient. They don't have an existing denture. Edentulous patient with a product you can pre-purchase, have on your shelf, pull that off, get us some records using that product, and then we can design a denture and have that denture to you from an edentulous patient. So give us a call for more information on that. It's a very, very cool process. This is a game-changing experience to not have to use a bite block from an edentulous patient to get to that final denture very quickly. So hey, as I mentioned, we want to meet you where you are. So I don't want anyone apologizing to me anymore when I'm out and about there meeting people that you have a 3D printer, you have a mill. We can help you with that. We want to help you with that. So let us get our design services to help you with your day and get these patients' smiles restored. Maybe get some implants in. Whatever the case may be, we have you covered. So please give us a call here. Check out our website. It's under Design Services. That's where you can submit all your cases, and we look forward to designing that next restoration or next surgical guide for you. Thank you.